everyone. Read not times, read the annuities. It is a famous quote by Henry Dawood. Newspaper is very important source of information. It is very helpful to know that various sources around the world. As we know that the newspaper can be classified into different columns such as sports, nation, health, classified and so on. As is part of this year, the reading day, we, the first NCOM aided students, the gladiators, proudly presents a very series of newspaper analysis. Myself, Alkha Jaimon, presenting the news analysis of Hindu newspaper.
This news is written by Alkha Acharya, an eminent professor of international relations at Chinese studies at JNU. In this column, the writer examined the evaluations of Communist Party of China along with ideological basis, and she examined the role the Chinese Communist Party has played. In the end, she also tried to answer the question whether CPC has led the China to becoming success story or success trap. We have discussed the important topic because the government of China, that is PRC or People Republic of China, is celebrating the 100th anniversary of establishment Communist Party of China. As you might know, the China is a single party state. Today, the China's political and economical rise is credited to Communist Party of China. So the author column point out how the Communist Party of China guided today's in its approach based on 5 lessons it has learned from history. The first major lessons drawn from chronological era. The story of CCP begins at the end of First World War with the political situations with China as well that the global level was very fluid. The Chinese people were unhappy because during the chronological imperial rule, the Britain and France that had humiliated the China that ensured the civilization and culture. The second lesson for China comes from Bolshevik revolutions in Russia in 1917s. The third lesson is the crisis, the political centralizations in 1980s. The Communist Party also believes in establishing a strong party state at a single party led states. Following the lessons is learned after the end of the Second World War, after collaborate Soviet Union in 1991. Then came the series of development of 1990s or 2000s led us to let the China to inspiring the great power. At the end of this news, the writer sums up saying that the Chinese Communist Party is both the success story as well as the success trap. Thank you.